Here, MYDAY, we have a wide ranges on flatbed lathe structure basis. So with CNC and the conventional design, we could make a demand into customization. We are ready not only about the features, but also about the performance, because we have better idea to control our machine, our products to be better for long-term use.
We've been lucky enough to be invited here to the MYDAY Machinery factory in the home of machine building in Taichung, Taiwan, to hear from Komin Chen, their president, about how they build specialized CNC and conventional flatbed lathes for so many heavy industries. Let's find out more.
So at the moment, we have a CNC and a conventional lathe product range for oil and gas, mining, energy, shipyard, and even aerospace in steel industry. We have a lot of machines in North America. They mostly used for oil and gas industry, and some of them are service for hydraulic equipment. And we have a lot of machines in Southeast Asia and in Middle East as well, not only for oil and gas industry, but they take the machine to repair the big workpiece for beam, motor, rotor, generator, or ship. Flatbed, this type of the design is the original design for the lathe, and nowadays we realize that it is very flexible, and it provides us a lot of possibility to do customization for customers' demand. Okay, for example, our auto cycling function on a conventional lathe is one example. That the user use conventional lathe to repair the thread of the pipes, or say remachining the pipes. And the difficulty to use a conventional machine for that is it will be dangerous during threading. So we have special features to do cycling automatically on a conventional lathe, that it could provide the operator safety and convenience. So that's one of the best example for MYDAY to service in this kind of lathe machine with customization. We have 6 people in research and development department. They are not only good at detailed drawing, but also in physics simulation. Yeah, with this kind of technique, we could not only design in features, but also in performance. We take all our steady combination or sliding components. We control the accuracy by hand scraping. With hand scraping, we will ensure the sliding surface are better fit to each other, and we also adjust the geometric accuracy by hand scrape the contact surfaces. We also have a portable CM. It will help us to measure the errors on site. So for every of MYDAY's products, we take all our spindle with gear head assembled in MYDAY's factory, and we do measure and check about the alignment between centers for every machine, and we have a trial cut for that. And we also have our head start assembled in MYDAY factory, quality control in our warehouse, and then have test cuts for every of our products. Have a lot of spindle to be used, and we could even have multiple carriages on our machine. So we keep our flexibility and possibility in our design to service all the demands from the world.